Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Echo. First, unbox your new Amazon Echo device and plug it into a power outlet. Next, download the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. This free app is essential for setup. Open the app and follow the simple on-screen instructions to connect your Echo to your home's Wi-Fi network. This process usually takes less than 5 minutes, getting you ready to explore its many features. Once connected, your Echo is ready to respond to your voice. The default wake word is Alexa, but you can change it in the app. Try saying, "Alexa, what time is it?" or "Alexa, what's the weather like today?" You can also ask it to play music from services like Amazon Music or Spotify. Just say, "Alexa, play some jazz music." Setting timers is easy too. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes. The Amazon Echo truly shines when integrated with smart home devices. It supports thousands of products from various brands, including smart lights, thermostats, and plugs. Open the Alexa app to discover and connect your compatible devices. Once linked, you can create custom routines like "Alexa, good morning," to turn on lights and start your coffee maker. Control is effortless, often requiring just a single voice command. Beyond the basics, your Amazon Echo offers a vast array of advanced features. Dive into the Alexa app to explore thousands of skills, which are like apps for your Echo, adding new functionalities. You can customize settings, change the wake word, or adjust voice responses. Use your Echo to make calls to friends and family with compatible devices, or use drop-in for instant two-way communication between your own Echo devices. The possibilities are extensive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.